Police in Berlin raided an Islamic center. German officials say its leader is suspected of sending money to an Islamist fighter in Syria to carry out terrorist criminal acts. Bolivian police use tear gas to break up an anti-government demonstration near Santa Cruz. The protest started after a court ruled that President Evo Morales may seek a fourth term. Japan's new 5-year defense spending plan includes American-made fighter jets and improvements to a helicopter carrier. And Chinese President Xi Jinping marks 40 years of economic reforms in China.